Kling AI, please complete security verification. Okay, so from the website, even when you try to choose anything like this one, then you click on it, they will ask you to sign up. Okay, so from here it says if you don't have an account, what that you have to do is simply come here and then come and then click on sign up for totally free. So when you click on it, what that you have to do is simply fill your information and come and click on the next. And then here comes the please complete security verification. Okay, so when you come here to the diagram, okay, I mean the picture, what that you have to do is simply drag this onto the shape. Okay, but when you come down, it says that drag to the right to fill the puzzle. It means that all that you have to do is simply come and then place the mouse on this and then drag it forward. Okay, so as you are dragging it forward, the shape can simply come and then fix right onto this, just like this one. Okay, and then simply wait for a check mark. So this is the check mark, and then that is it. And then they are going to send you a code. Okay, so as you can see, they have sent a verification code into your email address. What that you have to do is simply go to your email address, copy the code, and then come and then paste it right here, and then you sign in.